Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that promise to transform your beauty routine. Today, let's take a closer look at something that might just change the way you approach thinning hair: Davines Naturaltech ENERGIZING Seasonal Superactive Treatment. It's a product designed to address hair loss, improve hair density, and give your locks the strength they need to thrive. This 3.38 Fal treatment claims to tackle hair loss caused by stress and seasonal changes. If you've noticed your hair thinning due to external factors, you might find this product a game changer. With Davines being known for its cruelty-free philosophy, it immediately sparks curiosity about how this treatment works on the scalp and strands. Now, when it comes to ingredients, you won't find a bunch of fluff or unpronounceable chemicals here. The product is formulated to give your scalp some TLC, strengthening both your hair and scalp in the process. The lotion form is lightweight, which is a plus if you're used to products that feel heavy or greasy on the scalp. A big plus for me when testing was how easily it absorbed without leaving any residue behind. I started using it as part of my evening routine, massaging it gently into my scalp. It's easy to apply, but I would suggest being careful with the amount. Too much, and it might feel a little sticky. But once it settles in, you won't notice it during the night. It didn't cause any irritation, which is a relief for anyone with sensitive skin like mine. In terms of performance, I used it for several weeks, applying it regularly, and I noticed an improvement in the texture of my hair. It definitely felt fuller, and my scalp didn't feel as dry or itchy as it often does with other treatments. However, hair loss reduction is a slow process, so I'd say give it some time. For those of us looking for immediate results, this may feel a bit too gradual, but the results are worth the wait. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are pretty clear. It's lightweight, cruelty-free, and it helps moisturize and soothe the scalp, which is essential when dealing with thinning hair. I also love that it's designed to address hair loss due to stress and seasonal changes, making it highly relevant to those affected by these factors. The biggest con, however, would be its price. At first glance, it seems a bit on the pricey side for a 3.38 Fal bottle, especially when you're looking for a solution that takes time. But then again, quality treatments do tend to come with a higher price tag, so it's a bit of a balancing act. As for value, the price point might feel like an investment, but considering it's clinically proven to reduce hair loss from seasonal factors and stress, it could be worth it for someone who's looking for that extra boost to their hair care routine. If you're someone who's struggled with hair thinning due to these factors, it's probably a good addition to your regimen, but don't expect instant miracles. When comparing this treatment to similar products, many of them often lean on harsher chemicals or thicker formulations that can weigh hair down. Davines keeps it light and gentle, which makes it a standout in terms of comfort on the scalp. However, some might find the results more subtle than those of stronger chemical treatments. The packaging is also sleek and simple, typical of Davines' aesthetic. Nothing over the top, but very practical. The product's longevity is decent. You won't go through it too quickly, even with regular use. If you're wondering whether this bottle will last, I'd say it's a solid investment for someone who's looking to commit to improving hair health over time. In terms of customer service, I haven't had any direct dealings with them, but Davines generally has a good reputation for being responsive, and their cruelty-free ethos is something that resonates with many consumers. If you're looking for more budget-friendly alternatives, there are a few out there, though they might not offer the same level of gentle care or high-quality ingredients that Davines does. However, if you're someone who's willing to make the investment for long-term hair health, this treatment could be a worthy option. All in all, Davines Naturaltech ENERGIZING Seasonal Superactive Treatment is a solid choice if you're battling hair thinning due to stress or seasonal shifts. It's not an instant fix, but it's a thoughtful and effective product that's gentle on your scalp and strengthens your hair over time. If you're committed to improving hair health and willing to wait for the benefits to unfold, this one's for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.